So first you need to go in the settings, then you need to go in the extension, then here you need to search live server. You need to click on the first link where it will play and click on install. In few seconds it will get installed. After it gets installed, simply need to go on your file and then right click and open with live server. You also get a small live server icon at the end of your window. You can click on it and it will open a web page. The web page is the place where the things are being displayed. Mostly these are web pages. So here you see this is getting displayed. But one thing is that if I write monster over here and don't save it by clicking Ctrl+S or just saving it, and just as it is I'm going beside, then it is not saving autosave. So you need to go on settings and then here you need to go and do one thing, which is auto save. So here you need to click on after needed, and then you see that if you will do something or write something over here, don't click the Ctrl+S, then also it is automatically getting saved. You see, it's automatically getting saved. Thanks for watching.